Hey man, hey, we're just in it right now. That's all I'm gonna say. So we got it in here. Finally, I'm available, yo. 2014, bro. We in this thing. All right. So what I got right now is, I'm pretty sure it is the rear end. Almost certain it's that motherfucker right there. But what I'm experiencing in this one, hopefully it goes away, is I got a clunk, man. I got like a hard clunk when I put it in drive, and it's been sitting for a while. All of a sudden I'll get a gunk and like it'll go forward. Obviously all of this here is new. If you're new here, you've seen what I've been doing, seen what I've been rebuilding on this thing. We got 480 in there, all suspension in there, 4x4 actuator in there. We got all this. I'm gonna upgrade this stuff later on, but this is just factory new. We got all this stuff, so there's nothing in the front. My gearbox is making a noise, but it's nothing. It's drivetrain related. It's something. I mean, transfer case. I took it apart and essentially almost like rebuilt it to fit it with the 4L80, and you know, sealed it up. Good thing we don't got no leaks right there. This drive shaft is the one that came with it. You know, it's possible. It's possible, but who knows? Also, anyways, but what I think is going on is the slip yoke. I mean, obviously it's being lubricated. I mean, she wet, dog. She oh my god, time to upgrade the phone. She in there. But from what I've been seeing and hearing, I guess there's like some GM bulletins going on where the actual material of this, they change it to like some nickel crazy, some other stuff, and inside of it they just pretty much get grease, AC Delco synthetic, like heavy duty grease for in here. So when this thing moves forward and backwards, or anytime, you know, the truck moves, or the Tahoe, this is essentially getting like stuck to the output shaft of the transmission / transfer case. In my case, it would be a transfer case. But I mean, it was getting plenty of lube right there. We got all the lube in there. But I'm gonna go ahead and who knows? Maybe because the ATF is a real thin, not meant to be like a metal to metal lubrication, is more of a friction material lubrication, obviously, because that's what's used in transmissions. Yo, we in there, bro. Look at these. Whew. Whew, let me see it one time. Man, this thing looks so good with the wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lube it up, but I'm almost certain that it's gonna be the spider gears or something that's gonna be inside of here. I already want to rebuild it, so there's that. You know, it could be a case of wheel bearings. The wheel bearings do have a little bit of play. There's no e-brake left, so I don't know, it won't hurt. I got some downtime. Like I said, I've been busy, yo. I have been busy, yo. Oh my god, focus. Certified, dude. Freaking poppy. Oh yeah. All right, so I'm gonna lube it. I'm gonna lube my shaft. Hey man, so I lube my shaft, dude. So I got some of the green. There's red and tacky, then you got a green one. If you know the Lucas, you know, the Lucas red and tacky grease, and they got the green one for heavy duty stuff. So I don't know, dude. I just lube my shaft, put it in there. Maybe it'll help, but it sounds like it'll probably just be a temporary fix, and it'll actually be the material of the metal. You need a good material of the metal to come into contact with the transfer case to not cause that sort of a bind or clink or clunk. So dude, I'm gonna shove my shaft in and I'm gonna see what happens. Oh my god, having to lift is so nice. It is. I remember one time specifically when I was here and I lowered it down and I heard a noise in the back. So I mean, it could be the fact that, you know, the slip joint was coming in and out. I'm making that clunk. Let's see what happens right now. Look at the bump steer. Yeah. So no noise right now. But let's see what we got going on. Yo, don't look at my sandals, dude. We got the drive shaft off. Hey, if you didn't know, man, I ain't your average Joe, bro. Yeah, I've been working on cars for a minute. I'm just taking my time with this because I don't give a damn. All right, let's see. Yeah. Let's put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. That was smooth. Didn't really know. Don't look at my fuel gauge. Don't. Yo, just go to full and stay there. That was the lift right here. If you heard that little kink, that was that thing right there. So, yeah, dude, I'll drive it. I'll figure it out. See, have an update later on if the noise did it or not. And if it comes back again, I mean, then I know it's a drive shaft. I don't think I've done a video of see how it actually shifts in the 480 now. Let's go, let's give it a little bit. We got the 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's windy. 4. Overdrive. That's it. It took a little bit longer on the 3.4, but that was just me driving, recording, and trying to be safe. But that's it. 480, dude. Shifting pattern, fucking freaking mint, dude. Other than the few issues that I've had with the 480 putting it together and doing some harness repair and some leaks and everything, dude, everything's mint. Transcooler, mint. Driving this thing around, I got no issues. The torque converter does shudder from time to time when going into overdrive, but I ain't too worried about it because I got some stuff in the works right now. So the converter ain't gonna be in there much longer, and the motor definitely ain't gonna be in there much longer. So I ain't tripping about that. Yeah, I'm just a dude out here in this two-door. I'm just trying to take over the world, dude. Just over here, man. I want some ice cream, yo. But yeah, I'll have an update later on. I'll let this thing sit down for a little bit, and I'll see if I can get that pop. See if I get that pop to do it or not. I got my ghetto stereo system right here. I got my cup that's not in a cup holder. What more do you want?